welcome back to another video. What I am going to do today is that I made every single one of these. I put the items on and I'm going to Jamaa, and only non-members can trade for these. And there's a trick with this as well. So if they trade you any pets, you can get pets that have been made in the way back times. So they would have question marks on them, not knowing when they were created. So that's a way to get some pets. Oh, sorry about that. Hold on. But, anyways, we should get on with this. I'm going to put some on my trade list, and then meet you in Jamaa. Alright, I got them on my trades list, and now we're going to Jamaa. Meet you there. So, I guess that everyone is a member, pretty much, because AGHQ did this, so everyone gets free membership for 2 weeks. So I guess that's not gonna work, but people can trade me, so hopefully that works. I put a lot of work into this, and I'm also doing another pet. I have already started making those, and that will be in the next video. So I'll pause it now, and when I get trades I'll unpause it and show you. This is not working. No one is trading me. No one has ever traded me once. So I guess I'm going to a different Jamaa. So I went to a different Jamaa. Just got here, so let's see if I get any trades. This is the first trade. This is the second trade. Same person. This is third trade. This is the fourth trade. Alright guys, well, they were taking forever to trade. So I kinda gave up a little bit. I'm gonna do a different, do another video sometime. We still have all these. We only gave away 4. So, sorry I'm tired. Come back if you enjoyed this one. Peace and thanks for watching, if you even did. Have a great night/day. Bye.